Welcome to Team CJ Coachworks. Today we're going to give you an update on a 1967 Lamborghini 350 GT project. We've been working on the right and left hand side, working on the lower frame rails. What we've done with them is they were actually rusted out on the lower section, and we've made new panels that we've actually already fitted, welded in. We've also taken care of the jack points. These were also rusted out and they're fully repaired now. What we have right here is actually the right cowl side panel area. This is kind of interesting because we have a fresh air intake canister which is located right up here. This is where, for your heater, your defroster, your fresh air comes in at. On this particular design, the way that Lamborghini had designed to do it was when it pulled the fresh air in, it had to come in here, but it was open. So there had to be a place for water to go to. They used a drain tube on the bottom side of it. This drain tube went into a cowl side panel. This cowl side panel had a brace. This cross brace was also a stiffening panel, part of the stiffening agent of the cowl. They decided that it would be a good idea to use it as a drain. So you can see where I've cut out the tube here, and then they had a drain hole down here. At some point in its life, somebody had cut out a hole here, cut through that cross brace to put a speaker, is what we could tell. When that happened, unknowingly, they allowed water every time it rained to drain directly into the floor of the car. So when you look at the floorboards, which we have over here, you can see the extreme damage that was done from years of water draining directly into the floor. Not quite ready to get to the floor repairs yet, but in order, before I could finish doing the cowl repairs here, I did need to finish the toe board. So if you look inside over here, you'll see a new panel on this side over here that's been welded in place. This will make up the new bottom section of the toe board. Again, trying to preserve as much of the original sheet metal as possible, we're able to save all the upper section. What I have here is the new cowl side panel. This panel here has been fabricated using the original as a pattern, transferred, and then this outer edge we flange using a tool on our Pullmax forming machine. Now what I'm going to use to keep this in place while I'm mocking everything up is a tool that's called a Cleco plier, and these are Clecos. What these do, these allow me to drill an 1/8 inch hole. They actually come in different sizes, but I'm using 1/8 inch holes, and then they allow it to pass through the hole and pull back, and when it does that, it clamps the two panels together. You can see the alignment of the new drain tube that's been installed in the fresh air intake canister. Now that's going to line with this. Also, I've punched a hole down at the bottom, which will be its drain. The next process will be to remove this panel. I'll take the Clecos off. Now that I have this panel located where it's going to be, this will be removed. I will then prep the two mating surfaces, and this panel will be spot welded to the cowl panel as per original. All right, we're back now, and I've gotten these panels prepared for spot welding. What we've done here is we've prepped them, sprayed the inside section that will not be welded with a self-etching primer. The area that will be welded is coated with a weld-through primer. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and reattach this panel to the cowl panel. We'll use the Clecos again. That way it'll be located exactly where it's supposed to be. Now we always put safety first, so I'm gonna put on my face shield and begin the process of spot welding.